They're turning.
There we go. Right up the fucking pipe.
Get him. Come on.
You hit the front one twice? 3 times.
I thought I hit the back one too, but I guess not.
It stopped on that front one the second time. Yeah, you did. Did it just
I'm gonna
catch
shoot
it?
over. Oh, let's see here. I think they went around on me here. I don't get them. I think they're going to they hooked to the right after they dropped their sail. Well, maybe I'll get them. No, I'm not gonna get them.
Heard a guy grab my anchor, but he didn't come up. Or my ladder.
Let's take a look. Coming over there now. Oh! I'll be catching him. What the hell?
I think his front sails hobbled him. And his back sail's not right either.
Okay. He still has his the Reaper chest. Oh, they're finally getting their sail up. They're trying at least. Really having more Shane shots. I'm out of Shane shots.
You want to poon him?
Let's see if I can poon him. Yep, I got him. You'll come up here and see if we can thunder bomb or something.
Yeah.
Here we go. Pulling him in. Two of them got knocked off. Uh-oh, they on our boat? They're on our boat. I'm still pulling them.
Got it.
All right.
Off the boat.
3 of them's off. I just knocked them off.
You knocked nothing off.
Skeeter's on fire right now.
In Fuego?
He's
In Fuego. I knocked out, yeah, all 3 of them fuckers got knocked off. That's funny. Dumbasses.
My boat now, sir. My boat now.
One of them got on our boat and just stood there. Like, you didn't know what to do.
Skivvy's boat. This is Skivvy's boat.
You meeting at your cabin tomorrow?
Yeah, Skeeter and I were just talking about it.
What time? I'll be there. I got tomorrow off.
What time you guys think you'll be there, Skeeter? 4:30, 4:15?
Between 4:30 and 5, I'm guessing.
I can do that. I'm gonna pick Dave up. We out there. I should probably get out there a little earlier and go look at the fucking stand, huh?
Yeah. You win a boat sinking. You win a boat. You win a boat. Hey. You win a boat.
What are you gonna win this year, Rick?
Something sweet.
Henry 4570?
Yeah, I'd love that. That'd be my favorite.
You're a shot of 4570?
No.
I should I'll bring. We should whack a deer with that this year. I'll bring mine.
Oh, Skinny got you. Skinny got you.
Any of them left?
For the $20 range, I like.
Ooh. Shoot over, shoot over. He's start turning right. You'll be able to shoot over right now.
I like Jim Beam bonded. 100 proof. I like that better than I like Weller. That's only $20. That's probably about it though.
Yeah, Martin just said he just went by. He was over at the. He went by the brewery and they were putting out Eagle Rare and Blanton's and what was the other thing they put out? They put out something else. Each day they put out a different one.
Easy mode.
Where they put those out at?
He was down at the distillery in Kentucky. Yeah. He said he
Yeah, I
walked in there and they had E.H. Taylor out there, and he said that the Thursday he got on Saturday, and the Thursday they had Blanton's out, and I can't remember what he said the other day was. On Friday something else was out.
Did I tell you about Ironfish, Rick? I got some whiskey, some bourbon from Northern Michigan. You get it at Costco. I've been wanting to try it. Me and Joe went up. Me and Joe went up to the fucking dispensaries last weekend, and I stopped at Costco, and they have this bourbon called Ironfish. It's aged, extended aged, in maple syrup barrels.
That sounds nice.
It's amazing. It's amazing. It's fucking amazing. It's straight up like hits you with maple syrup right in the front, sweet. It's not like
one guy in the water,
I got him.
and as they sink in, he's sticking around.
What a boat's gonna sink, Nurgle Scat? Hey, Nurgle Scat. Hey, Nurgle Scat. You're bad, son. You're bad. Your little boat's gonna sink, Nurgle Scat. Nurgle Scat, your boat. Why don't you save your boat? That's two. That's two for you. Come on back.
Yeah, they're on the boat. They're on the boat. Nope.
They're getting loot right now.
Keep going a little bit farther.
I'm going over.
Go ahead.
Like Bob Davies
Yeah.
at Notre Dame.
They're not going anywhere.
I thought Bob Davies was fantastic at Notre Dame. I mean, yeah, they were a running game, defense-oriented team because he was a defensive coach, and I had no issue with it. I liked it.
Ooh, that's like a headshot.
What's up,
Oh, it's
Nurgle?
your buddy.
What's up, Nurgle? What's up, Nurgles?
I knocked one off the boat for you there. That's funny. That's probably enough holes, I'm guessing.
What's up? That's it. Y'all suck, he said.